आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं आरपी यादव, फर्स्ट क्लास माइंस मैनेजर, जे एजुकेशन गाइड में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम माइनिंग इन्वायरमेंट पर चर्चा करेंगे। फर्स्ट, ईआईए। ईआईए क्या है? ईआईए का फुल फॉर्म है इन्वायरमेंट इम्पैक्ट असेसमेंट। व्हेन माइनिंग इज स्टार्टेड इन एन एरिया, देयर इज इम्पैक्ट ऑन द इन्वायरमेंट। In fact, the environment becomes bad to worse. Recording and study of this impact is known as EIA. EIA as Environment Impact Assessment. This includes the following points. First, dust pollution, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, loss of land, damage to flora and fauna, increased ambient temperature, impact on water table, increasing dryness, effect on society, economic impact, etc. अब हम देखते हैं ईएमपी। ईएमपी का फुल फॉर्म है इन्वायरमेंट मैनेजमेंट प्लान। When a mining is conducted in an area, environment is damaged. This is very dangerous. Therefore, it is necessary to restore the original condition. This requires some activity to be conducted, and this is known EMP. Different issues are land reclamation, regeneration of flora and fauna, control of air pollution, control of water pollution, control of noise pollution, regeneration of water table, management of the increased ambient temperature, control on increasing dryness, control on social pollution, etc. This is done as per policies of the central government as well as state government. Before mining operation is allowed, we have to take clearance from MOEF in the form of EMP. MCDR रूल नंबर 30। अब हम देखते हैं ईटीपी एंड एसटीपी पर चर्चा करते हैं। ईटीपी क्या है? ईटीपी होता है इफ्लुएंट ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट और एसटीपी सीवरेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट। ईटीपी, इन द माइनिंग एरिया ए लॉट ऑफ इफ्लुएंट इज जनरेटेड। These are generally liquid discharge from different plant and workshop. Such effluent is directed to a central treatment unit. Such unit is designed by civil engineers. Moreover, some consultants in required of chemical engineer. In the ETP, the effluent is treated and then discharged to atmosphere so that air and water pollution does not occur. In STP, in mining area, lot of sewage is generated. This is the solid refuse discharge from the colony as well as some portion of the mine. The sewage so generated is diverted to a central plant where it is treated and disposed. Thus, there is no water or air pollution occurs. The plant is designed by civil engineer in consultation with other experts on biological issues. अब हम देखते हैं CSR, कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। CSR का फुल फॉर्म है कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, CSR. It is the short form of corporate social responsibility. Whenever a mining is done, the local area is disturbed and the person in and around up to 3 to 5 kilometers suffers. Because of this above, government suggested the provision of CSR. Under this, it has been maintained that all the village, hutmen and localities should be provided following facility by CSR: medical services, educational facilities, roads, sanitation, community centers, and other facilities. There should be good communication in such area. Moreover, there should be provision of water supply, fuel supply, supply of other essential facility as far as possible, provision of employment directly and indirectly, arrangement for parks and playground, library, etc. for benefit of student, shopping center, बैंक, पोस्ट ऑफिस, टेलीफोन ऑफिस एक्सेट्रा। अब हम देखते हैं different types of slope failure. Types of slope failure is given in following table. First, plane failures. Plane failures along a plane, tension along the bench, more intensity towards the edge. Wedge failure. Failure along two intersecting plane, tension in bidirection, more intensity along the edge, wedge under compression. Circular failure. Failure taking place along a curve. Multidirectional tension resulting in failure along a curve of any nature. Toppling failure. Turning down a portion of this bench along a vertical plane by compression on the bench and weak vertical cleavage. अब हम देखते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ स्लोप फेलुअर इन डंप. Include both bench and dump failure. Type of bench failure. Types of dump failure. First, sliding shearing failure due to bad design. Second है porthole failure due to poor basement. Third है uneven failure, combination of design and basement. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आप मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया तो आप जय एजुकेशन गाइड को सब्सक्राइब करिए. धन्यवाद.